Well, I expect everybody to lead from the front. The problem with you, Deputy, unfortunately, you've been on the fence for a lot of this. And you've clung to the fence for as long as you possibly can. I remember a headline on the 18th of September on the Irish Daily Star. You know, all the pubs should open, said Mary Lou. There should have been no reason why all the pubs shouldn't have opened again. That was your view then. Whatever was fashionable, whatever was the trend, you jumped on board. That has been your consistent approach to this. And jumping on the bandwagon when it suits. And your views on Northern Ireland have been brazenly untrue. Your statements yesterday and over the last 2 days. You should speak to your Deputy First Minister, your colleague. They will tell you that we have worked very earnestly and in a proactive way with the Northern Ireland Executive. Your Deputy, you're on the Northern Ireland Executive, your party is on it and has failed to gain the consensus required in relation to some of the issues.